A new grad RN is crying in the bathroom after a doctor makes you feel inferior.
Hello? Is this Dr. Ahmad? Yes, this is Nurse Marites. Oi, 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 oi. Lower down your voice. Your ego is already high. I'm talking to you nicely on the phone. Well, Dr. Ahmad, I just want to tell you that you are stupid.
Excuse me, did you say I'm stupid? That's very rude of you to say.
Yes, I said stupid. Remember that time when you tried to get an IV and you can never get it? So you asked me to put it. Remember that time when you asked the patient to stand up and he was an amputee? Remember that time when you discharged my patient yourself because you think everything is okay and the patient came back in 2 hours? I want you to remember all that stupid thing you did, huh? Exactly, because that's very stupid and you've never heard me tell you stupid before. Now, my question to you is, did you call my daughter Emily stupid?